Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are going to make a really fun dessert. It's called a better than sex cake. Now I'm pretty sure that my mother called it better than anything cake, but this is the original name of the title, was better than sex cake. I am kind of giving my own little twist, but this is what you're going to need to make this amazing decollete cake. Your family's going to love it. First of all, you need a Devil Foods cake mix. Now, if you want to get industrious, make up your own recipe for it, go ahead. But this is supposed to be super easy, super quick, and super amazing. So I'm just using a store brand Devil Food chocolate cake mix. I'm just using a store brand Devil Food chocolate cake mix. Okay, you need 1/3 cup of oil and 3 eggs. Now up to this point, it's just what the recipe calls for, and a cup of water. And then give that a good mix. Once you get your cake mixed, once you get it all mixed, something I like to do is add some heat bar pieces. You can buy this in your baking aisle. I just, maybe 1/4 cup, not much. And just fold that in. Take your 9x13 cake pan, and I like to just add a little bit of cooking spray. I'm not a huge fan of cooking spray, but there are times when you need it. This is one of those. I'm gonna put this in here. We're gonna bake our cake for 23 to 28 minutes. Depending on your oven. And this is just the recipe that's on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'll meet you back as soon as it comes out. Next step of this is we're gonna make our sauce that we're gonna pour over the top of the cake. One thing you wanna do, this caramel sauce has 12.25 ounces. So I'm gonna pour off 1/4 cup, and then I'll show you in a little bit what we're gonna do with this. Trust me, nothing is going to waste. You're going to pour 12 ounces into your bowl. You're also going to pour 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Once you get it all dumped in a bowl, you're going to mix it. Okay, the cake has just come out of the oven. While it's still hot, you want to take a spoon and poke holes in it. This cake was very much a part of the poke cake stuff of the 80s. Many of y'all are old enough to remember that. Alright, you're going to take our mixture that we made. I went ahead and put it into a glass pitcher so it'd be a lot easier to pour over. And you just want to slowly pour it over your cake. Okay, so we got our topping on it. I took a spoon and kind of moved it all back into the center of the cake. We're gonna let this cool off, and I'll bring you back in probably about an hour and a half. It'll be just a second for you, and I'll show you how we're gonna top this off. Okay, so our cake has set up in the refrigerator for about an hour, and we are going to top with Cool Whip. I'm using about 1/2 of a large container. You just want to spread that out over the top of it. You're going to take some more of your Heath candies. Sprinkle that on top. put it just as much as you want here. I happen to love Heath toffee, so. And then, remember that 1/4 of a cup of caramel sauce? We're gonna take that and just drizzle it on top. Not need the whole 1/4 of a cup, but you just put however much you want. Okay, now that we've got it all together, let's get into this and give it a try. Let's try this beautiful cake. It is super moist and just super good. They don't call it a better than sex cake for nothing. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. It sure does help me in the algorithm. I appreciate y'all so much, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey everybody, this is Misty of Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and if you like today's video, be sure and check out these other 2 dessert videos I have here in the playlist, and we'll see you on the next video.